Knowing that every single one of us loves to have the perfect house, some of us still find perfection in the imperfect details. That's when industrial design style started showing up, and it is getting more and more famous every day for being imperfectly perfect, just like us. So if you're new here, I'm Chloe Khouri, interior architect student, and in this video I will be introducing one of the most beautiful design styles, industrial design style. Industrial design style started in the Great Britain in the mid-18th century, when the industrialization and mechanization began. During this period and up till now, industrial buildings rarely receive a second glance, and they are uninteresting to everyone outside the design and architectural field. This style, with the rare decorative elements used, is more likely to be a masculine home design style. Effectively, you can use cameras, motorcycles, plate numbers, graffiti art, steel gears, and vintage music posters as artwork. Industrial design style has its own characteristics and details. Everything that's rustic, unfinished woodwork, reclaimed furniture, machinery, anything that's copper, steel, concrete, iron, or unfinished design can be used. And since this style started in old factories, old barns, and warehouses, to achieve the perfect look, you can use concrete house structures, unfinished brick walls, or even showing mechanism. Everything that's raw and unfinished can be used. So as you can see, industrial design style focuses on efficiency and functionality by focusing on what brings purpose to the place rather than what brings beauty and perfection. The main colors to be used in this design style are warm neutrals such as warm beige, brown, black, and rarely a touch of white. If an accent color is needed, you can add burnt orange or even forest green. Furniture is bold and is made of unfinished, rustic, and reclaimed wood, or even you can use leather sofas with an unfinished touch. Also, if you're thinking about having rugs, they shouldn't be colorful and they should simply blend in with all the surroundings. As a final tip, to perfectly achieve this design in your home, keep in mind that industrial home design is very warm, moody, and spacious, and to achieve it perfectly, simplicity is the key. So this is it for today. I really hope you guys liked my video. If you did, do not forget to press the like button, and if you wish to know more about home design and home styles, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.